Alright guys, before we get into this video, I want you to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the bell to get notified when I post a new video.
What's up guys, in this video, we're gonna be reviewing, you already know it, Ultra Beauty. Guys, alright, I went to the store, and then I was able to buy this. Cause you know I got a lot of pimples. This is supposed to be good. See this? It's Murad. Only for $70. Plus, I also got this thing. You don't have to get it, but this is just it helps to boost it. Step 4. There's 3 steps you're supposed to do. It's like the boost steps, like your last step. You guys got it, right, guys? You guys see this right now? This is a cleanse. This is the, I don't know, let's see, open this. I don't have a butter knife with me this time. I'm about to open this Alright, as you guys can see, I already tried this, but this is a different one. Same thing, but smaller version. This is the $29 one. I would recommend this one. It lasts longer, bigger packets. Open. Oh God! Oh, look at that! Oh my God! These ones are like 4 times bigger than the. This is 4 times bigger than this. Get this. Save up all of your money. To like buy that 2 times for like 2 months. Look how much different this looks. Yo. Get this. Look how much bigger the class thing is. You see how big this is? What the heck? This is the oil. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to like use this too. Like in the order and stuff. Well, that's what I think, because that's the way I've been doing it. That's much bigger. Alright guys, I'm gonna be back with my old ones, so I'll show you the size difference. Guys, I'm back. I managed to get the smaller ones that I've. Alright, so you can see, this is the big cleanse, this is the small one. See? So much bigger. This has barely in it. This has a lot. Sorry if my English is weird, but you know. This is the lotion of the new one. This is the smaller lotion. Looks like this has, oh yeah, this one has way more. Same thing, but this has more. The oil, same thing. This has more. This is the difference. I mean, I would recommend. Do you see on here? That's the acne thing for this. It's like, it looks like it's about the same size. It looks about the same size, but I got a better one. I got this. It's individual. I got that for like $22. And then I already showed you that, but alright. I'm gonna show you guys how to properly use it. Like how to do it in order. Alright, in the morning, you start off with this. First one, this one right here, alright? After you're done with that one, you could use, after that one you use this, the oil control. Got that? After the oil control, restart. Okay, now guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to use it. So you can see, this is a cleanse one. This is first step. You guys gotta use this. Second step is the Outsmart Acne Clarifying Treatment. But yeah, for this, you need to put it on your hand, put it on your face, then you rinse it off. Then you have this, which is the the acne control thing, which you put it on your face and you leave it on there. You don't rinse it, okay? The next one would be, where is it at? The oil control. Then you leave it on there too. The only thing you have to rinse is this, so don't forget that. After the oil control, you use this, the acne removal thing, which is also this thing. This one right here. Then that's only for AM. That's only for AM. And then for PM, it's kind of the same thing. So you would use this, right? Then you would use this. Instead of the oil, you use the lotion. And then you come down to the acne control thing. Then for boost, you can use this. Show you.
Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this. I also do gaming, so yeah. I also have an Instagram and Twitter, don't forget to follow it. My usernames will be in the box down below, so yeah, peace.